Hi, I'm Matt Eccles at TyTek Medical, and I'm going to be discussing with you the top 5 reasons why your company, your business, your organisation should invest in a bleeding control solution. Number 1, gun crime, knife crime isn't going away, and you understanding the platinum 10 minutes and the time that you've got as a bystander or a zero responder, when you're out celebrating at a Super Bowl celebration, and there's gunfire or there's knife crime, you need to know what to do quickly before the emergency services arrive. Number 2, as a bystander, as a zero responder, those platinum 10 minutes are crucial. So you've got to act quickly and calmly and make sure that the environment's safe for you to do so. Number 3, ultimately, if there's a catastrophic bleeding situation in your environment, you're going to be able to act much quicker than the emergency services who are on their way but aren't there as quickly as you are. So having a bleeding control station and having the knowledge to know how to use the elements within that quickly, effectively and safely is going to save lives. Number 4, a Tensis, that's a Platinum 10 system bleeding control station, has 8 bleed control kits and a stretcher that roll out. You've got super quick access to bandages, tourniquets, piranha shears, gloves, everything you need to control that bleed before the emergency services arrive on the scene. Number 5, our mantra is educate, equip and empower, and you having an understanding of how you can save a life, how you can control a bleed, either by going to a local class, there's plenty near you, or visiting tytekmedical.com and looking at our education hub. There's lots of access to content and videos to really talk you through the entire process.